Are you ready to unlock the secret to the ultimate summer treat? Imagine vibrant, icy popsicles that are super easy to make, budget-friendly, and a total blast for the whole family. Get ready to dive into the delicious world of homemade Kool-Aid Popsicles. When the sun is blazing, nothing beats a refreshing, icy pop. Store-bought options can get expensive fast, but we've got a solution that's both fun and frugal. These Kool-Aid Popsicles are a nostalgic delight, perfect for backyard parties or a simple afternoon cool-down. They're incredibly simple, requiring just a few basic ingredients you probably already have. Plus, making them is a fantastic activity to do with your kids. Get ready to create some sweet summer memories. Did you know Kool-Aid has a fascinating backstory? This iconic drink mix was an accidental invention created in 1927 by Edwin Perkins in Hastings, Nebraska. He transformed a liquid concentrate into a dry powder for easier shipping and sales. The original Kool-Aid came in 6 classic flavors like grape, cherry, and orange. As its popularity soared, the company grew, eventually relocating to Chicago. That's where the idea of turning this beloved drink into a frozen treat really took off. Popsicles became a signature frozen delight, offering that same great taste on a stick. There was even a 2-stick version so 2 kids could share, though it was eventually discontinued. Today, billions of popsicles are enjoyed worldwide, and Kool-Aid remains a family favorite. Making Kool-Aid Popsicles is wonderfully straightforward. All you truly need is Kool-Aid mix, sugar, and water, but the fun really begins when you start customizing. You can mix different Jell-O flavors for unique tastes or add fresh fruit slices for extra texture and nutrition. Think berries, citrus, or even melon chunks. For a healthier twist, swap out sugar for natural sweeteners like honey or agave syrup. You can even layer different colors for a rainbow effect, perfect for themed parties. And for an extra creamy treat, try blending in a scoop of ice cream or a splash of coconut milk. The possibilities are endless. Let's get to the fun part, making these icy wonders. First, grab a large mixing bowl. Empty 1 packet of your favorite Kool-Aid mix into the bowl. Next, add your sugar. The amount will depend on your taste and the specific Kool-Aid packet instructions, but typically it's about 1 cup. Stir these dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Now carefully pour in 2 cups of boiling water. Stir continuously until both the Kool-Aid powder and sugar are completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, consistent flavor throughout your popsicles. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to fill your molds. If you have dedicated popsicle molds, fill them about 3/4 full. This leaves room for expansion as they freeze. If you don't have molds, no problem. Small paper cups or even ice cube trays work perfectly. Just remember to insert wooden or plastic popsicle sticks once they've started to firm up slightly, usually after about an hour in the freezer. Place your filled molds or cups into the freezer. Let them freeze solid for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight. Patience is key for perfectly firm popsicles. Want to get even more creative? Try layering different Kool-Aid flavors for a vibrant, multicolored pop. Just freeze each layer for about an hour before adding the next. For a tropical vibe, replace some of the water with coconut milk. Or for a creamier texture, blend in a little yogurt or a scoop of vanilla ice cream before freezing. Remember to choose flavors that complement each other. Once your popsicles are frozen solid, they're ready to enjoy. To remove them easily from molds, run the outside of the mold under warm water for a few seconds. Store any leftover popsicles in an airtight container or freezer bag to keep them fresh. There you have it, a simple, fun, and delicious way to beat the summer heat. Homemade Kool-Aid Popsicles are more than just a treat, they're an experience. They bring back childhood memories and create new ones with your own family. So what are you waiting for? Grab your favorite Kool-Aid flavors, gather the kids, and start mixing. Share your colorful creations with us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more family-friendly fun.